drinking this every morning, you will lose weight and eliminate all the toxins in your body. A diet plan that includes green shakes is the entrance to a healthy life, free from bad habits and poor diet. By introducing these shakes into our diet plan, we will begin to benefit from the nutrients and vitamins that fruits and vegetables contain. In addition to benefiting our health, you will have much more energy, lose weight and create the habit of eating healthy without so much fat and sugar. By ingesting one of these homemade shakes, detoxifying and slimming, you will feel satisfied for a long time until your next meal. There is no need to feel hungry all the time just to lose a few pounds. I will show you an example of the vegetables and fruits that can be used to prepare these shakes: celery, spinach, broccoli, carrot, cucumber, lettuce, beetroot, parsley, cilantro, mint. Among the fruits: apple, kiwi, pineapple, lemon, banana, orange, strawberries, raspberries, and between spices to give a better flavor we can use cinnamon, ginger and cayenne pepper. With this variety, each person can give a different touch to their shakes. 1. Green bean detox. A handful of spinach, of the sticks of celery, a banana, juice of a whole lemon, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 4 or 5 ice cubes, 8 ounces of water. 2. Slimming shake. 6 lettuce leaves, juice of a whole lemon, half carrot, a handful of spinach, 5 or 6 mint leaves, 5 strawberries, 4 or 5 ice cubes, 8 ounces of water. 3. Citric acid. An apple, juice of a lemon, ginger to taste, 2 or 3 slices of pineapple, an orange, a little parsley, 4 or 5 ice cubes, 8 ounces of water. Preparation: mix all ingredients in a blender, or food processor. It is advisable to ingest the finished milkshake and without passing it through a strainer, in order to benefit from all the nutrients and the fiber that it contains. As mentioned above, we can mix a number of ingredients to vary the flavor of the smoothies. These can be substitutes for a meal if you do it well loaded and high protein, or just as a nutritious snack or a delicious snack that will always keep you healthy.